Hello, Oscar. Tomas here. I enjoyed the OMNICAMP. I think I learned some new tools. I'm a little disappointed about that we were supposed to check our trades on Sunday to Monday. So maybe I think it will be. I'm still a bit skeptical about if the system works. I'm here because I've seen your videos and I believe it works, but now I have to actually see it working, so it would have been nice to see them working, like to plan some trades for us and to check if it works in the levels. So I think that's I'm definitely going to try it in Chilean markets, and I'm still thinking about switching to futures or stuff, so I will be trying. Thank you for everything. Great food.